Learning about permaculture made me realize that even though the earth is suffering from certain problems such as climate change, the earth also provides solutions for these problems. For example, there are beneficial bugs, beneficial plants, and teaching others about these things, well, we can work together to help save the planet using things that the planet provides for us. Learning about permaculture made me more grateful for nature. I learned about how bugs help the environment, and before I used to be really scared of bugs, and I still am, but now I'm grateful because I learned about how much they benefit us and their purpose. My most memorable experience in this class was learning about companion planting and also getting to plant in the garden. In the future, if I think I do want to make my own garden because of this class, so I'll definitely take the lessons that I've learned with me and apply those to my garden.